What's up, YouTubers? Wanted to wish everyone a happy Memorial Day, and if you served in our country, or are still serving, or are on tour and happen to have internet access, thank you very, very much for serving our country. Trains also help serve our country. They transport military vehicles to and from, and military vehicles get rubber tread by trains. Every single thing that makes up, including the gasoline and all the stuff to make up the tanks, the jeeps, the bulldozers, get transported by trains. On a few other notes, starting June 1st, Amtrak will relaunch the Acela trips. Only, I want to say 6 trips instead of 18. They will run the Keystone service, but only from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania to Philadelphia, and they will be running the Pennsylvania from New York to Altoona. They are right now only running one train per day from New York to Miami. So on certain days, the train does not have a dining cars, and one train goes via the A lines through Fayetteville, and the other one goes through Hamlet. So Amtrak has temporarily removed all dining car services for the Crescent, Silver Meteor, or Silver Star. I think that's all in terms of, now the Western may be different. I think they are giving you boxed meals, and so they might have a dining car, but they aren't serving fresh or hot meals. They have removed the second sleeper on the Crescent still, and they have removed the third and fourth sleepers on the Silver Meteor and Silver Star. The reason why they are only doing one trip is because of track work and due to ridership demand. And CSX has combined Q045 and Q046 with Q441 and Q442. It's running under 046, goes from, I want to say, goes from Lakeland, actually no, goes from Tampa to Jacksonville, and then they run these other stuff to Waycross. It's running under Q046 and Q045. As far as I know, no significant CSX train symbol changes or destination changes. The A line is still solid with Q693, Q692, Q409, Q410, Q400, Q401, Q031, Q032, not sure if I said that, Q037, Q038, Q025, and Q026 still runs with DPQ, Q142 and Q143 are still running. As far as BNSF, not a ton of train symbol changes. They are running a special train with the Schnabel car to Las Vegas, from a nuclear reactor. It will have very low radiation and should move through the San Juan Capistrano virtual Am around 11 o'clock Pacific time. Maybe midnight, and I will be posting that video. Amtrak still has some delays, but the Crescent has been a lot better. A few nights ago, Amtrak 79/Amtrak 80 encountered some smashed a tree, so they had to get mechanical and the cross and did the popping to pick up one of the locomotives. Carriage units, there's been no new ones. Canadian Pacific is still pumping out their SD7 ACQs with about 10 to 15 of them in the special carriage fleet. No new Norfolk Southern symbol changes. Limited is still shut down. Macon still has some traffic. There's still 153 no longer seems to be using the BU, and it now comes either early in the morning or late between 9 and 2 a.m. So there seems to be, they've been moving a few of their Dash 8.5s around to different storage locations. Do I know anything else? It's very hot, guys, so just be aware of snakes and ant kills, and make sure you're drinking a lot of water so you don't dehydrate. And this is also the season for thunderstorms and tornadoes and heavy rain, so just watch it out, guys. And this is also the season for the weed sprayer trains, and some track work out west is also going on. So if you are anybody virtual or both ends, watch out for the Lorne Rail Grinder or any ballast trains. NSF stopped producing MRST-70 ACCs. Still about half of their SD70 ACQ fleet is in storage, but they've taken a lot of SD60Es out of storage. So that's the update, guys. Hope you're doing well. And also the Sella Express has started touring in Pueblo, Colorado. So that is going phenomenal. I hear should hopefully be back up towards Cornell or Philadelphia. You like to get the seats in about 5 months. They are testing a lot of stuff. CXX 911, 1776, and 3194 remain stored in Waycross. Amtrak seems to be, no more back dorms. They have gotten all of them from CAF, so now they're just waiting on the sleeping cars. The V-line sleeping cars. So, there's like 2 prototypes or 3. That's about it. Hope you guys are seeing lots of trains and staying safe. Bye-bye.